Meaning of gewgaw.
gewgaw,
Gewgaw.
gewgaw,
Gewgaw. Gewgaw is a noun that refers to a fancy but basically worthless object, a showy ornament or trinket. It can also be used to describe something that is over-elaborate, superficial, or lacking in substance. The term has negative connotations, suggesting that the item in question is gaudy or tasteless. It is often used critically to describe overly decorative items that are designed to impress rather than serve any functional purpose. Despite their lack of practicality, gewgaws can still hold value as cultural artifacts or symbols of status, particularly in certain historical or social contexts.